Hey everyone, if you want to make your videos more engaging and easier to understand, adding captions in InVideo is a great option. In this video, I'll show you how to add captions in InVideo from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new video project or open an existing video that you want to edit. After opening your project, upload your video if it hasn't already been added to the timeline. Make sure the video contains the audio or narration you want to caption. Next, look for the captions, subtitles, or auto captions feature within the editor. Depending on the current version of InVideo, this option may be located in the Text Tools or AI Tools section. If automatic captioning is available, select the Auto Captions option and choose the language spoken in your video. InVideo will analyze the audio and generate captions automatically. Once the captions are created, review them carefully. AI-generated captions are usually accurate, but they can occasionally contain mistakes, especially with names, technical terms, or unclear audio. And that's how to add captions in InVideo in 2026. With built-in captioning tools and easy customization options, you can make your videos more accessible, engaging, and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.